darlings, and welcome back to another video, another vlog, another hair routine video. I didn't start from the start, but I started somewhere, and that's important. And that is, just look at my hair. This is the state of my hair. I've been losing it since morning and I've managed to get to this stage. I'm sort of upgrading my hair routine, which is by learning how to detangle for hair retention. While they were into this and, getting to see my new recipes that I learned online, how about you take a moment to watch my other hair routine video if you haven't? But before I start sharing the recipe, I need a little energy boost. I look weird doing this with my head looking like a mess. I really should get used to not showing myself so messy and all clean on camera. Either way, bottoms up. This is something my mom got for me. I love you, Mom. If you're watching this, I'm taking my vitamins. This is the vitamin C. Sour sweet, but let's get started with the video. There shouldn't be any salt in this. If you're watching this, because it's going to be used for your hair. That was hot.
before you show another. Yeah. Amam ya aje makati ya shana dia.